the possibilities are truly limitless in terms of what we're going to be able to do with this device. But at the same time, there are some constraints. There's not as many ports and options to plug into, which I think is a great thing. I think a lot of times when we think of creativity and problem solving, we need constraints. We need a framework to be able to kind of work our way through. And so I think when we worked with kids and other devices, sometimes it's so open, they're overwhelmed, they don't know where to begin. And when you look at the Pulse, the initial thing is like, okay, here are my options. This is what I have to work with, but you can still accomplish anything that you need to at the same time. And so even with the constraints, it's kind of this contradictory method of problem solving and thinking. The other piece in terms of working with the Pulse is the programming language and the possibilities there, and really be able to meet kids' needs on how they program, how they see the world. And I think something that everybody's trying to work on that Pulse does a really great job of is forcing kids to take the ideas that have always been in their head and start to infuse those to the real world. How can we take these concepts it's easy to think up the dreams and the ideas, it's easy to sketch it out. It's another thing to make it practical and actually happen. And the Pulse is a great opportunity, along with a lot of the TETRIX parts and kits, to actually make what we always say, the ideas in their head, and make them a reality.